I was standing in the shadow of my doubt, hiding words I couldn't let fall out. Every whisper felt like chains on me, but silence never set me free. I traced the cracks across my skin, each one a story buried within. I've been broken, I've been small, but I'm still breathing through it all. And I feel the thunder in my chest, a rhythm that won't rest. So I breathe loud, let the world hear me now. No more running from the sound. I'm alive, I'm unbound. I breathe loud, I'm not backing down. They said be quiet, stay in line, but I was never built to hide. Even pain can start a flame when you call yourself by name. Now the thunder's turning into song. I've been waiting all my life to sing along. So I breathe loud, shake the walls of my doubt. Every scar becomes my crown. I'm alive, I'm found. I breathe loud. Can you hear me now? Every breath is proof I've changed. Every scream rewrites my name. I don't need saving, I'm my own sound. Turn it up, I'm breathing loud. I breathe loud through the storm in the crowd. Every heartbeat's breaking out. I'm alive, I'm proud.